live look outside at SFO, where things are likely pretty busy given the 4th of July travel weekend. Let's check in now with meteorologist Kyla Groban.
Yeah, hey there. Blue skies today. We have the wind with us. We are going to have another gusty day today. Unfortunately, that does kick up a little bit of fire danger again in some of our places that are kind of higher up at elevation, in particular like Santa Clara Hills, East Bay Hills, and my Santa Cruz Mountains. So obviously with the fireworks out there today, just be very, very careful, everybody, and make good choices. Temperatures today are going to be below average. We are in the 50s once again in San Francisco and Half Moon Bay. You can see some nice 70s as you head inland here. But today, not looking for any extreme temperatures. Again, staying a little bit cooler than we normally should be. This looks great, right? We've got nice clear skies out there, and that should set us up pretty well for tonight. I'm going to go through that with you in just a second here. But you can see even Half Moon Bay right now is basking in some sunshine, getting a break there. But the wind is certainly not giving us a break. And as we get into the afternoon today, I think it'll peak about that. Very, very gusty conditions. Highs today, as I mentioned, below average, so we're looking out for inland mostly kind of upper 70s, maybe a few low 80s out there, some nice 60s and low 70s around the bay itself. San Francisco looking out for about 64 degrees. And here's the fogcast I want to take you through, because as we get into our afternoon, we're looking great. That's about 4 o'clock. I'm going to take you now into the evening. This is fireworks weather right here, and it really doesn't get any better than this. Now, the marine layer can always surprise us, but I do think we're going to do okay tonight. And I feel like we've got Mother Nature on our side. So these are the temperatures I'm looking out for this evening, expecting that we should have a good fireworks show. I'm ready for it.
Sounds great. Thanks so much, Kyla.